Welcome back to our series on Tech for Good, where we take a closer look at startups and not startups that aren't driven by creating technology for its own sake, but are motivated to create a better world. To frame today's interview, I'd like to tell a short story. Dara Khosrowshahi, now CEO of Uber, almost did not take the Uber job. Dara is about to call Uber's board of directors and take himself out of the running, but then he spoke to a friend, Daniel Ek, founder and CEO of Spotify. Dara admitted that he was on the fence about joining the Uber company because he was very happy at Expedia, where he was CEO. Then, as recounted by Dara, Daniel looked at me with these cold Scandinavian eyes and said, "You know, Dara, since when is life about being happy? It's about having impact. You have to make an impact." This anecdote is an imperfect introduction of our guest today, Franck-Eric Flegbo, CEO of Drinkotec. As I know, Franck-Eric is doing what he is doing both to be happy and to have an impact. Franck-Eric, thank you very much for being with us this morning.
Thank you, Jim.
So to get us started, could you give us the 30-second elevator pitch on Drinkotec?
Well, Drinkotec is a Swiss tech company. We design, we manufacture vending and beverage dispensing equipment. Those equipments are connected to an IoT platform, a proprietary IoT platform that we developed. And this platform gathers a lot of data from the connected equipment to create some data analytics and AI and help the brands we work with globally to challenge the issues that they have in the market. And trying to increase profitability on one side and lower the waste created by the industry.
From the point of view of financials, what drives your business? What is the business model of Drinkotec?
It's a very simple business model. So we are very proud manufacturers. So we sell our equipment, and also we sell also subscription fees to the connected platform Loop 360. It's very simple. We also are very agile and I would say some kind of innovative in our industry, recognized for that. So we also do custom developments and a lot of R&D for the customers, the brands we work with. So that's how we sustain financially.
By reducing waste, we see you as a tech for good company. How has that helped you or not with investors and customers?
Yeah, with investors and customers, lately, these past years, ESG, the SDGs by the UN have become almost gold standard now in boards and the governance of companies. Somehow, our unit economics that we have at Drinkotec, reducing drastically plastic, improving energy consumption, also reducing the CO2 kilogram per liter served. All these KPIs resonate for investors and our customers. It's facilitated a lot, the connection and the relationship with them.
Good. What was your motivation for acquiring Drinkotec?
It's a motivation that was sparked when I was very, very young, I will say, in my age. I want to create a company that can last. That is my why, I will say. I love that challenge of creating something that can last. I also love leading a group of people to achieve this mission, this vision that we have at Drinkotec. I love designing and creating products as well. So, you put all of that together and for me, it's the perfect cocktail, I will say, for engaging in Drinkotec.
Okay, well, with all those motivations, how do you define success?
Success to me is about achieving something consistently over and over again. It's about doing good. It's about thinking good, feeling good as well. But on the long run, you can achieve something once, but how about doing it on the long run? And to me, success is about that. You put that into the business world, is creating a company, like I said, that can sustain over years and decades. You put that in personal life, and to my wife and I, is about raising our kids with values and behaviors that they can use in their own lives moving forward for the next generations.
Excellent. So I assume you've had some challenges at Drinkotec. Can you talk about some of the major challenges you've had and how you've overcome them?
Yeah, of course, challenges in an entrepreneurial venture, there are a lot. To me, one thing that fascinates me, rather than thinking about it as a challenge, is human beings. So, putting together a group of people, finding them, onboarding them, giving them responsibilities, helping them develop, taking decisions, managing conflicts, misunderstandings, all of that, let's say, psychology around driving people to achieve something is what is challenging but also fascinating to me.
It's interesting. A follow-up question. Nothing in there was mentioned about technology. So is the technology the easy part? It's people who are the hard part. Technology is easy?
I will say the technology part is not the easy. It's the fun part, I will say. It's the visible part as well. It's the one that is in the market. Whenever we speak about a company, we talk about their products, their services, but and usually they're, I would say, directors or CEOs or C-level, but we never speak about the people in the companies. And if you think about it as an iceberg, yes, the products and the shiny branding, but underneath you have the people that are consistently driving their roles, their responsibilities, the processes, and achieving over and over and over so that the company can shine.
I like that metaphor of the product is the tip of the iceberg. It's all the people underneath that make it happen. Excellent. So thank you very much, Franck-Eric. That was perfect. And to our viewers, I hope you enjoyed, again, this look at a company that's trying to do good for the world, but also using technology to make it a better place. So thank you again for watching this series.